Hello friends, if you are trying to download TD Canada bank app and you are not able to download it because a message you see a message, your device is not compatible with this version. It means the app you are trying to download has requirement that your smartphone or tablet that does not meet and does not support. Okay, if your device is several year old and has no longer received OS updates, the issue is usually permanent. It means the new app simply would not work on that hardware. Okay, so it means you should need to replace your device with the latest feature. Okay, sometime it and another way and another way the error often come, which is sometimes developer restrict an app to certain screen size or resolutions to ensure a good user experience. If your screen is too small or has an unusual resolutions, you might see this error. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.